This video is intended for officers of Task Force Trauma, Arma 3's most hardcore tactical realism community. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post attendance. The first thing you need to do is open up the server dock and go to the Posting Attendance tab. Under here, this may look a little bit different by the time you guys get your hands on it. Anyways, this video will be linked right here. And then, of course, there's this Hammer Time link right here, which we will need for posting attendance. Open up this Hammer Time link. Once you're here, you need to click on time zone and select whatever time zone you are under. So if you're Pacific, you would type in Pacific and just make sure that the time zones are correct. So the next thing you need to do is click on this date and time bit right here and then find the Sunday column. It is best to post attendance first thing Monday. If you are busy Mondays, something that you can do is do it Sunday night. So let's say this week we played Operation X. During your admin debrief, you would post Operation Y Sunday night. Go ahead and select the date for the next event, and then we would lay out our time zone, all right? So for example, our events start at 5 p.m. MST. So I would type out 5 p.m. like so. Then we'll hit the check mark here. And then there's a whole bunch of different copies down here. And it's just like the format of which this stuff converts to whoever is viewing it. I prefer this one right down here. So the third from the bottom. Now, the fourth from the bottom, this one here also works, but I like to see the word Sunday so people have a better visual and understanding of, hey, we do this thing on Sundays. But you could do fourth from the bottom, this guy right here, that one works, or you can do this one right here, whichever one that you think looks best. Regardless, do not use any of these, do not use any of these, only use one of these two. We're going to go back to the server dock and find out what mission is coming up next. So let's say that you guys just completed the unit evaluation. Next mission up would be Desert Wind. Highlight at everyone all the way down to the end of the hostile faction. So just to kind of like map out what this is, at everyone is a command to ping everybody. X is where we're going to paste the event time. The hashtag Operation Desert Wind will bolden the name of the mission. This little like hyphen, whatever the fuck you call that, that'll make like a bullet point. And then player faction, italic versus enemy faction. Highlight that. You're going to open up the Discord, come on over to attendance and paste that bitch right there. Next up, you'll open up Hammer Time here, and then you'll come on down to your little copy board thingy, and then you'll highlight X and paste. One of the things that I'm going to have you guys install is going to be a little file that'll have like every piece of information of every single thing I ever made. You're going to double click this little plus icon right here. You're going to click on desktop. You're going to find that file. It'll probably be called something else. I just called it Arma stuff. You're going to open this up, and within this folder are going to be a bunch of other folders, and you'll find one called Event Posting. Then you're going to find the respective mission that you are going to be playing. It should be numbered in Mission 1, Mission 2, Mission 3, Mission 4, Mission 5, so on and so forth. So it's real easy to find, and it is labeled by name. So you know Desert Wind is the mission. So you double click Desert Wind. There she is. And then I'm just going to hit enter. We are posted. You have to react thumbs up, thumbs down, and then like so. Just like that, that is how you post attendance. If you guys have any questions, just hit me up. Good luck in your future TFT endeavors, boys. See ya.
Henderson, let's loosen that neck up.
You're the boss, dear.
Deep breath in and let it out.